All right, this one's going to be Come Together by the Beatles off Abbey Road. We're going to have this first riff. Okay, so we have big 10, and then 10 to 12 on the A, and then the D and the G strings on the 10, and then the 12 on the D. So we got 4 times of that. Then we're going to have this. One of those honky tonk things. So we got 10 and 12. We're going to bring the 14 in on the A string. So we had 8 of those. Now we're going to go to the A down here. 5 and 7 go into the 9 on the A string. Then you got a G power chord. Sometimes it kind of stops and sometimes it kind of rings out a little bit. Kind of listen to it for that. And then we're back into the riff. We got the honky tonk. Next verse. Back to A. G power chord. Now this time we're going to have. So we have a B power chord. We got 6 of those, and then we bring in an A bass with the rest of that B chord. So, and then we're going G power chord, big 3 5 5, A power chord 5 7 7. And then we got the third verse, same thing. A. G. Then we got that. Back to the riff. And then we got a keyboard thing that's kind of like. So that's like a D bass, and then those middle ones, the 10 on the D and G. Now here I'm doing the 12s on the A and the D string to the 10s, back to the 12s. I'm using these 2 fingers. You could do one finger if you want. So it basically does that like 4 times, and then we have this guitar solo. Okay, and then a keyboard thing kind of comes in and gets you to the next verse. So we have the 15th fret of the little E string. We got, and then 2 bends, and down to the 13th. So we got, and then we're gonna do the same thing again. Except here we're gonna go to the 2nd string, 15th fret. And then we'll bend that twice to its lower 13. Back to that high note. So once again, we got 3, 4. Dee-dum, dum, dum. There's a little keyboard thing there. And then we got the next verse. So while we're on it, let's count in and let's do the intro riff and the verse together. So the intro riff was. So let's try that. 2, 3, 4. And then the honky tonk thing. 8 of these. Going to A. Stop on the G. And then we got this B. That's 2 and 4 on the, the A string has a 2, 4 on the D string. So we got 6 of these. 2 with the open, and then our G power chord to the A power chord. So one more time on that. 3, 4. You could have that with like the bigger power chord. Kind of sounds better with just the 2. We got this. Now we got our end solo. We got this 13th fret of the 2nd string. Kind of hold that, and then we got. So that was a 2nd string 13 we bend and hold for quite a while. And then we got the little 13. 2 of those down to that 10, back to the 13 on the 2nd. And then our next thing is. So that was 10 on the G string and 12. Back to this 13. And then we're going to go. So that one started on the 10. And then here we're going to go. So that's starting on the 2nd string 10. And then we got this 15 up here. Then we're going to bend that one. Then we're going way up high, 17. So that was 17 and bending the 20. Then we're going to go 13 and 15. And then we're going to go 3rd string. And then little 13. And then one more of those. And then by then you're faded out. So that whole end solo would be. Actually, this one goes twice. And then we do the 13, 15. And then that 3rd string thing. And then little 13. Then one more time. Does it like slightly earlier that last time. And then we're faded out. So let's take a look at everything one more time. Top riff. Verse. To the A. G. Then we'll have that turnaround here. The first time you don't do this one, but the second and the other times you do. So 3, 4. Keyboard thing was kind of like. First solo, we got. keyboard thing. You got more verses. Now the last solo is going to be. Okay, so that's about it. So a lot of these bends are held a really long time. So I find the best thing to do is kind of like try to just get to the note and don't do a lot of vibrato. And kind of as you're holding that note, you can kind of put in a little bit, but it's definitely not any kind of wild vibrato. So I held it just at the note without much movement at all, not really any, and then give it a little bit just to give it some more sustained kind of thing. And some of these bends, they kind of start from an upwards place. All right, Come Together by the Beatles. Hope you dug that. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.